I want to turn this small file into some sort of knife to give as a gift. A small thank you for my yoga instructor, Abby, who has helped me a lot in class. Thanks so much. The other reason for this small project video is I want to try out my mini charcoal/coal forge for the first time here in Taiwan. I found these 2 bags of charcoal at the local supermarket. This bag is completely comprised of branches. Not sure how it'll work, but they feel pretty heavy. This bag is made up of various chunks, which is what I'm more familiar with. So I went mainly with the chunks. I'll try the branch stuff next time. Normally I would use a little lighter fluid, but I don't have that, so I spray a little bit of alcohol. Maybe not the smartest idea, but it works. I put a piece of paper at the bottom, and I think next time I won't do that. I need to give a big shout out to Steve Watkins at Minion Smithy, and to Gary Johnson at Mighty Sharp. Thanks, fellas, for helping keep this bowl full of charcoal and then some. I need a little more material for the handle end, but I'm constrained by the small size of the forge. No matter, I'll sort it out. You folks know I pretty much stink at making knives, and this is pretty much a blatant copy of some blacksmithing knives I've seen on YouTube. I'll never become a knife-making channel, but I need to dive into making more knives. And part of the reason for that is that knives can make very practical gifts. When using a charcoal or coal forge, you don't want to add charcoal when you feel like you can finish the project with what you've got left. Someone recently commented that my short poker here is useless, just too short. They obviously didn't see the mini forge. Yeah, this mini forge is definitely not perfect, but I can't tell you how much a pleasure it is to use, especially here in hot Taiwan. Much less radiant heat than when I'm using the gas forge. So I've already cleaned up and put my tools away, and this is about an hour later. I can crank this and still get the charcoal to fire up. And this is about 3 hours later. Not sure if it'll fire up. Give it a go. Please excuse the wobbling. I moved the stand to an area that's uneven. And now this is 6 hours later. The fire now is DOA, cold. Given the shape of this file, I'm making this a single beveled edge. I use this old grinding wheel to true up my whetstone. So I'm not exactly sure what this knife will be useful for, but I was thinking something like this, but peeling this piece of ginger and cutting it into slices. I've got plenty of hair to spare. Not sure if Abby will want this after seeing me do this on my dirty, sweaty arm. So there it is, crude but useful, and I had a lot of fun on this project. Check out my website or email me directly if you're interested in any of the tooling that I make. I reintroduced my stubby hammer, and I'm working on making more changes to my website. Catch you guys next time.